Have you ever wondered how you can exclude certain days of the week from a list of dates in your Bubble app? Well, I'm going to show you in this video, but before I dive into it, we've got hundreds of Bubble tutorial videos that you can't find on YouTube. You can only find on our website, planetnocode.com. So join our no-code app builder community there today. But let me just demo this. It's going to be really, really quick. I've got a date picker here. The particular date picker I'm using is by zero code. It's the air date/time picker. And, I've got it added to my page here, and I've got just a default range. So I'm saying today's current date time, and then I'm adding in 12 days. And you can see that today is indeed Friday, but it skips Saturday and Sunday, then goes through the next week, and then skips the following Saturday and Sunday until it arrives at that plus 12 days. So let me show you how I've gone about and done this. So the air date time picker version 2, which is I think the only one that's now available, that's because of the change over the responsive engines. Anyway, it should look like this. You can say selected range as a list, and then you can filter that list. And so you can say this date, and we're talking about an individual date in the list now, and we can extract the day. And when we extract the day in Bubble, it returns like an index value of days starting from Sunday. So Sunday returns 0, so I'm saying not 0. And then Monday would return 1, and it counts all the way through to Saturday, and so Saturday is 6. So that's why I've got these constraints in there. And then I'm simply saying format in a way that I can clearly demonstrate to you the day of the week and the date. And then I'm using join with and line underscore break. And that has enabled me to get this list here where each item is listed on a separate line. Notice it doesn't actually print line break. That is how you use join with to achieve a line break when you're joining together a list of text items. And I'll show you one other thing here. What if we wanted to just know how many there were? So let's add in a text label, and I'm going to say, well, no, I don't want to do a workflow. What am I doing? I'm going to say the air date time picker, selected range as list, and then I will basically build up the same thing. I will filter, and I'll say this date, extract. Easy to get these mixed up. Day is going to be that 0 to 6, Sunday to Saturday. Date is going to be, well, today is the 5th of January, so it will be 5. So I want day is not 0 to exclude Sundays. And then 6. So now I've got my list, and I can then simply say count. We'll preview that. So there's 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. I was hoping that would total up. Anyway, that's how you go about it. If you want to see any more Bubble tips and tricks, please like and subscribe this video. If you want to see anything else about working with dates in Bubble, please leave a comment down below. We read every single one, and we generally are trying to be as helpful as possible to the Bubble and no code community.